using email plus password stored in Firestore with a clean and professional design. First, we have to manually create a users collection in a Google Firestore. First, we will go to this is our project name, product inventory. In this one, we will go to Firestore database. In this Firestore database, I have already created the collection users. In this users, we will add a new document. We'll let it load. Here I have already added one document, and then we will add a new document. Document ID will be auto generation. Then name will be John. This will be the name. We can add however we want, like we can here we can give add field and then add or else, and this add document only we can add fields like this. I have already saved, so that I will add here. And then what are the things we need? We need name. Let it load. Okay, we need name, email, password, and phone. Okay, we will add all these things. First we have added name, then email. Email will be john@gmail.com. Add email. Then again add field. We will add a phone. Phone will be like 12390. Add. Then finally we have to add password. Password will be 9876. Add. Like this, manually we have to add one document like user. We have added a user name called John. Email john@gmail.com, and then password is 9876. This some phone number. After this, we have to create a user login screen. In this, it should ask you the email and password. It should ask email and password and a login button. After clicking that email and password, and then after clicking the login button, on pressing that, we have to write a function. It should go to our Firebase, this Firebase data store, and then it should check for the name is present or not, or else the email is present or not, and the password. If both are correct, it will show one output page. We will go to my project. Here I have already done my project. This is my project which I have used for authenticating the login. This one first, we have to add dependencies like the older 7, 8, 9 projects like experiments. We have to add Firebase core and Cloud Firestore. These are dependencies from which we can use the Flutter database. After adding this and saving, it will automatically download the database. We don't need to click Flutter pub.get. It will automatically download this Flutter database and Flutter base and Cloud Firestore. And then we have to make the changes in the build Gradle under app folder. We have to add a plugin in this app, which I have said in the older videos also. We have to download this Google services.json, which we can get after registering our app. Like in this project overview, here we have to register an app for this project. Here, like we have to go here, and then we have to register an app. From this, after registering, it will ask you to download this Google services.json. After downloading it, we have to copy paste it in this under app folder. And then in this build.gradle, we have to add one plugin, id plugin, and then the namespace is our project name, com.example.product authentication. Here, this application id will be the database name. Project inventory Firebase is my database id. Here we have to add dependencies. Implementation platform Firebase is the dependency, and in other build.gradle, we have to add the build script. In this, we have to add the class path, the com.google.services, which we have downloaded here before. And then in my main dot page, First I have imported these two packages which we have downloaded earlier using our YAML page. Here I have written a function, synchronous function, and then initializing the Firebase by using await function. In this I have made my title as user login, and then home page will be the login page, which is the class I have created, which is the stateful widget which I have created here. This is the login page. Under this login page we will take email and password, both email controller and password controller, to store the email and password which is given by the user. And then I have declared one message variable which we will be using later. First I have written a login user, like here function. This is the function which I have written to check whether the email and password are present in my database or not. Here first it will take email and passwords, then it will if the email and password are empty, it will throw an message, please fill in the all fields. After this I will store my I will check my email and password using this final query and await function. We will use Firebase firestore.instance to get the collection in users collection, to check where email is equal to the email and then password. If both are equal, then we will get the into query. We will get that information into query. If the query is not empty, then it will store the name of that user, or else the name of that document, and then it will throw here in the dashboard page, it will use the name to show welcome. That here under last, here we will be using this username welcome. If we use John, it will throw welcome John, like that. And then in that scaffold, first we will be creating an app bar which is a user login, and which we will be giving user login and then some styling, and then we will be using padding. In this body we will create a text field. First we will create two text fields. In these two text fields we will be asking email and storing it in this email controller. After that we will be using password, and we will be asking password and storing it in the password controller. After this taking these two, we will be adding one elevated button. In this elevated button, on pressed, it will call the function login user. This is the function which we have written. It will call this login user, and then if the login user is present, it will complete this function. It will open the new dashboard page, and it will show welcome username. After that here it will show the message login successful or something. And then after in this dashboard page, this is a stateless widget which I have written in the same page. This is the it is a second page. We can use a navigation also to go to this page, but we have to use navigator.push and navigator.pop. For that I have written this dashboard.page in this stateless by using stateless widget in same dot file. This one is just an simple simple page which will throw just welcome user. If the login is successful, it will throw welcome user. If the login is not successful, it will show the password or email is here like this in this message. We will demonstrate this project. First we will give Flutter a run. I have already opened my emulator. We will check whether it's running correctly or not. I have given flutter.run. It's debugging, then we will wait for it to run. It has built the application APK successfully. Yeah. Fine, it's loading successfully. Here it has asked email and then password. This is the app bar username. First we have given john@gmail.com, and then we have given password 9876 like that. Then login. Yeah, this is correct. Yes, it will show dashboard page, which in this it will show welcome John like this. If we have to check whether check whether the user page is not working. I have just rerun the same code to check whether it's not giving the answer, like is it showing the error if I click wrong email or wrong password. We will check with that also. Yes, it's loaded successfully. Yeah, before we have give John, and I'm giving John 1@gmail.com, then some password, then I will click login. It should throw an error. Yeah, it is throwing an error, invalid email or password. Yes, we will change it to john@gmail.com, then 9876 is our password. Login. Yeah, it's showing welcome John. Like this is our project in which it will go to, like it will ask email here, like it will ask email and password, and then go to our Flutter database, check with the users collection, or here check with the user collection. If both are present, it will throw welcome John dashboard page. This is the stateless widget stateless widget which I have written, and show welcome username. That's all with this video. Thank you.